In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an aged payables report in QuickBooks Online. This report is a simple but powerful way to see which bills you owe, who you owe them to, and how long they've been outstanding. It's perfect for planning cash flow and making sure nothing slips past its due date. First, open your web browser and go to the official QuickBooks Online website. A quick way to get there is to search for QuickBooks Online and select the official Intuit link. When the homepage loads, click Sign In. Log in with your account, and if you manage more than one company, make sure you're in the correct company file before you continue. Having the right company selected ensures your report reflects the right data. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click Reports. The Reports screen groups everything by category to make things easier to find. Scroll until you see the section labeled What You Owe. This area houses reports related to unpaid bills and vendor balances. If you don't immediately spot it, you can glance through the categories or use the search field at the top to quickly locate it by name. In the What You Owe section, click Accounts Payable Aging Summary. That opens the Aged Payables view. Here's what you'll see: a list of your vendors on the left, and across the top, columns that group your unpaid bills by how long they've been outstanding, typically 130 days, 3160, 6190, and more than 90 days. The totals at the far right show your overall balance due. This layout makes it easy to spot which vendors need attention first and which invoices are approaching or past due. Take a moment to read the report from left to right. The current or earliest bucket indicates bills that are not yet overdue. As amounts move into the older columns, those are the items that may require priority payment or follow-up. If you ever see an unexpected negative balance for a vendor, that often signals a credit or overpayment that can be applied to a future bill. Also, remember that the accuracy of this report depends on your bills being entered and dated correctly, so keep your vendor records up to date. Use the Aged Payables Summary as your weekly snapshot for upcoming obligations. It helps with scheduling payments, avoiding late fees, and communicating with vendors confidently. And that's it. Navigating to reports, opening what you owe, and selecting Accounts Payable Aging Summary gives you a clear picture of what you owe and when it's due. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.